Hey everyone, this is Shelley Tabb. I'm an ethnobotany student with UAF, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the dogwood family, which is Cornaceae. And in front of me, I have something that grows all over my yard and in the woods here around Ketchikan, and this is the dwarf dogwood. So, let's talk a little bit about the dogwood family, and then we can use this plant as an example. So the leaves are simple, and they have characteristically, the members of the dogwood family have entire margins on the leaves, and you can see this is the case here as well. There aren't any lobes or serrated edges or anything like that. Sorry, kind of moving around here. The leaves are variously arranged, but usually opposite or whorled. And what I used to think was the flower is actually like a petaloid bract on the outside of the flower. So these white four-petaled shapes are actually the petaloid bracts. And then in the center, if I get a little closer, you know, this goes right in line with the description of the dogwood. In the center is an umbel of very small flowers. It's, you know, surrounded by that 4 and I guess sometimes 5 for different species. Those petaloid bracts on the outside that really make it look like a flower. So, other fun facts is that it has 4 to 5 stamens, an inferior ovary of 2 or 3 fused carpels. They are insect pollinated with glandular discs at the base of the style offering nectar. So these will have red berries, and the fruit is a cluster of drupes having 1 to 3 large seeds, and this is according to our class text. And so I was reading Plants That We Eat by Nora Jones, and she was describing bunchberries being used in her area as well, on mainland Alaska. And so the berries are edible. I've heard that they are not the most tasty berries. I haven't tried them yet. But they are used down here in southeast Alaska to make the tastier berries stretch a little further. So if you have a tasty berry like salal or blueberry or huckleberry, and you have it in a limited quantity, bunchberries, which is another common name that we use for these berries down here, we can use bunchberries to make those tastier berries stretch a little further. Thanks for listening.